Welcome to our 2020 national event. Innovation Delivered is our theme for the week. So what is innovation? Well, if you ask Webster, innovation is about driving improvement in ideas, processes, or products. And hopefully what you know about BMC, we're all about all those elements. But importantly, and not by accident, is that word delivered up on the screen. And what I want you to understand, we are passionate about innovation, but we are also equally passionate about getting that delivered in ways that add value for our customers in the marketplace. So without you and the great partners on the supply side that help us develop that innovation, there really is no innovation. Anybody heard about ReadyFrame? It is the hallmark of our innovation. It is our prepackaged, pre-labeled, pre-cut framing system. It's been in the marketplace for a while. We've been growing it quite nicely over the past 5 or 6 years. But I'm really excited because I think the market is moving that direction. When you think about full off-site modular design and production of homes, I don't know where that's going to go in the future, but what I do know with ReadyFrame is we have an offering right now today in the marketplace that helps you solve some of those biggest challenges that you have every day at your job sites. We're excited about ReadyFrame and how it can help you improve your job site efficiency. But we're also excited about what we've dubbed advanced manufacturing. So ReadyFrame is just the start. But our advanced manufacturing processes start with the design of your homes, where we take blueprints and actually complete the structural design of that home through manufacturing those products, including ReadyFrame and our other structural components, our roof trusses, our engineered wood systems for floor systems. And in addition, our millwork windows and doors, which is an extensive and growing offering, which now represents more than $1 billion of our total revenue. So we believe we can solve whatever problem you have, and we're excited to engage with you around that through the course of the week. So excited, in fact, we've built a house that you'll see on the trade show floor that is a ReadyFrame home, and we've brought together all the things that I just spoke about around our advanced manufacturing. So our complete capability is represented in that house on the floor, so I encourage you to spend some time and walk through it. And the beauty about what we did here, we built an entire house, and we did it in 3 days. You know, we spend a lot of time working with you, our suppliers and our customers, to understand how that three-headed triumvirate can bring more value and solve problems in the marketplace. And part of what we do there is try to understand culturally how we have the right fit and whether we're trying to drive strategically the same direction. So we work very hard to understand your strategies, and I thought it would be worth a minute just to share with you our strategy very openly and transparently. And it's represented here in this house. Really 4 key pillars to our strategy, but it's led, as you see at the top, by innovation, which we're going to talk about this week, but importantly, customer service. Our first pillar is to drive organic growth of our value-added capabilities, whether it's our components, ReadyFrame as we talked about, or the great millwork windows and doors capability that we have all over the country. And we're doing a nice job of that over the past couple of years and feel that we've got great momentum, and we are continuing to add to our capability. Secondly, just like you have operational challenges, so do we. And so I believe driving operational efficiency every day in our operations and reinvesting a portion of what we gain there through that efficiency back into our people and back into our assets is an important part of what we're trying to get done in our strategy. Third is building a high-performing culture. And hopefully you already understand this about our company, but people really matter, right? All the great things that we're doing with equipment and technology and all that means nothing if we don't have the best people in the industry at the interface with you, our suppliers, and our customers, and we take that very seriously. You know, Richard Branson said, train your people so they could leave and go anywhere, but treat them well enough that they want to stay. And I think that describes what we're trying to do relative to people very well here at BMC. And then fourth, and importantly, as you all know, we still operate in a very fragmented industry, and we believe there's a great opportunity, given the strength of our balance sheet, to continue to drive acquisitions and bring additional partnerships into our company. And last year, we were fortunate enough to bring 6 new companies into the BMC family. And we've got great momentum. We're very pleased to welcome them to the organization, and we will continue to do that going forward. And at the bottom of the house, you see what we've called the foundation. I just wanted to spend a minute and talk a little bit more about the second pillar that I just spoke about, which is our BMC Operating System. And what that is, in a nutshell, is it's our strategic playbook and how we drive operational efficiencies and lean manufacturing principles inside the company. You can see the 5 key tenets of our operating system here on the right-hand side of the slide. The last one is extremely important, driving continuous improvement. And I think about efficiency and productivity like I do safety. It's a journey that never ends. The day you think you've arrived, the game is over, right? You have to always look to get better, whether it's keeping our people safe or driving efficiencies operationally. Come back to people. You heard me say people count is a core value of our company. And I'll tell you, I've been fortunate enough to be with BMC for the last year and a half or so. And everywhere I go around the country, I just continue to be impressed with what our people do. And we've spoken already this morning about a lot of what we do inside the company, but I'm super impressed at how we take that focus outside the company into the communities in which we work and live and play every day. We have 10,000 really committed people to helping improve the lives in the communities in which they live. And it gives me great pride to be part of an organization like that.